Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video I want to show you how to create Facebook lead ads to generate leads for your email marketing. So I clicked create inside my Facebook ads manager, and after you click create, this is the page that you will see. Here I will go ahead and click on lead generation, and I'm going to generate leads for a real estate client, and I will just enter the name of that client here. So this is lead generation for them. And as I am setting up the campaign for my client, I'm also creating this video tutorial. So this is a real case study that you are having a look at. So I will go ahead and select the page that I created for my client. And here I am going to target Bangalore for lead generation. So here I will just say Bangalore. And here it gives me a radius around which the targeting will happen. So this is 25 miles. I will just reduce it to 10 miles around the center of Bangalore. So this will give us more targeting, and I will target the age as above 30 only, because I don't see anyone below 30 as being a potential buyer for this particular real estate project. So now I will just leave as gender all, and here detailed targeting, I can add detailed targeting, but I will first let the ad optimize itself and then get back to detailed targeting. So the daily budget is going to be $100 for this client, and I'm going to click on continue. So here I have to go ahead and create the ad for the first time. So let me upload the ad image, write the ad copy, and then get back to this video. So now I have written the ad copy for my client. So here you can see the text. What I have added here is what is displayed here, and then we have the ad image, and then we have the ad text and the newsfeed link description as well. So this is what you get in desktop. If you go ahead and check on mobile, this is how it looks on mobile. So as soon as people click on learn more, they will be able to submit their lead details, and Facebook will pre-populate the lead details based on the information that they have given to Facebook already. So here I am going to select the form that I have already created, and if you want to go ahead and create a new form, click on new form, and inside new form you will be able to create a form here. So you need to give an intro, you need to select the questions, and if you want to collect phone numbers as well, click on show more options and select phone number here. So this is how it will be displayed, and then you can add custom questions, privacy policy, thank you screen, and all those details. So since I have already created the form, I will skip this step. So I have just selected the form, and this is the preview of the form. It asks for email ID, name, and phone number. So now I will go ahead and click on confirm. So the ad will now go into approval, and it will sometimes take an hour or two for Facebook to approve the ad. Once the ad is approved, the ad will start running, and I have set up an integration with Zapier to push these leads directly into a CRM, which we will discuss in further videos. So this video is just to give you a very quick overview on how to set up Facebook lead ads. So it is pretty simple, and you might want to try setting it up a few times to get comfortable with the entire process. Now let's have a look at the ad that we just created. So this has been approved, and sometimes Facebook approves ads using an automation engine and it gets approved immediately. So now I will go ahead and select preview, and I will click on Facebook post with comments. So this is the permalink of the post that I just created, and here you can see this is the ad, and if someone clicks on learn more on desktop, this is how it will show. It will give a lead form, and the lead details will be filled by Facebook based on the information that has been given to Facebook when people signed up for Facebook. So that is why Facebook lead ads are very efficient, because people don't need to enter their details on the landing page when they are submitting a lead form. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you learn everything you need to know about setting up Facebook lead ads. So go ahead and set it up, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video.